Bad news. It died. My humidifier. 5-year warranty beyond Amazon guarantee. So I'm gonna email them. But it's already humid, so good to go. With no humidity, I can turn the tent down. It's my favorite one too, and I was counting on that one for the grow, like the new grow. Hey, I've got some new subs to say hello to. I got 178 back because I lost 178 twice now. So I've got another 178. Hello. And we'll be back tomorrow with more of all this. All right, bye.